Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we are going to do question number 4. So let us start. On the grid, draw the image of triangle A after a translation by the vector minus 4, 5. Translation by the vector minus 4, 5. Translation means very easy. So before we try to find the 3 points, let us see what translation actually means. So the 3 coordinates that are given are minus 1 1, then this is minus 1 3, and this is minus 2 2. So after translation by minus 4 5, that means every x coordinate will reduce by 4 and y coordinate will increase by 5. This will become minus 1 minus 4 minus 5, and it will decrease by 4. So minus 1 will become minus 5 and 1 will become 1 plus 5 is 6. So minus 1 will again become minus 5, 3 will become 7. Minus 2 will become minus 6 and 2 will become uh, 3 will become 8 and 2 will become 7. So the 3 points are minus 5, 6. So let us keep it up. Minus 5 and 6. Minus 5 and 8. And minus 6 and 7. So this is the triangle. This is the first part. Okay, translation means directly just add the x coordinate to each x coordinate and add the y coordinate to each y coordinate. Here, since the x coordinate is negative, it is moving to the left. Since the y coordinate is positive, it is moving up. That's it. Now, second, a reflection in the line y is equal to 1. So we are talking about reflection, and reflection means that first we draw the mirror line, and what we can say is once we draw the mirror line, so let us first draw the mirror line. Mirror line x is equal to 1 is parallel to y axis, and this is the mirror line that is required. Okay, now I drew the mirror line, so let me just rub this off, and now what will happen, every point, so this is 2 at a distance of 2 away from it, so it will be at a distance of 2 away from it also, and it is 2 away from it, it will be 2 away from this also. This is 3 away from it, so this will be 3 away from it, and this is the reflection in the curve. So this is the second part, and it is better if you can note down the points and clearly mention them. Okay, but remember, once you draw the mirror line should be in the middle of the image and the object, and it should be perpendicular to the line. Okay, so the third part, last part, an enlargement, scale factor 2 and center minus 5 minus 2. So this is enlargement, and the scale factor is 2 and the center is minus 5 minus 2. So first of all, let us clear everything out, and then we can start solving it. Okay, so now let us start. So what are we trying to do? We are trying to calculate the scale factor is equal to 2 and the center is minus 5 minus 2. Okay, so first note the center minus 5 minus 2, and what you need to do is you will draw lines connecting this point, this center, to each and every vertex. So like this, and I need to draw one more line. So it is connecting, and all the 3 points will be on this 3 lines. Okay, so now what does a scale factor of 2 means? That means if this distance is 1, then for the image the distance will be 2. So if I see this from here till here, it has moved by 4 down, 4 to the right, and 1 2 3 3 up, and so it will move another 3 up, so it will be 4, and it will move another 4 to the left, and so this is the point, corresponding point for the first part. Now for the second one, you can see that it has moved 4 to the right and 5 up, so it will move another 4 to the right and another 5 up. So if it moves another 5 up, it will be 8. If it moves another 4 to the right, it will be 3. So this is the corresponding point. And the third one, if you can see, it has moved 3 to the right and 1 2 3 4 4 to the left. So again it will move another 3 to the right. So this minus 2 will become 1, and 4, 2 will become 6. And so the points are 6 and 1. And so these are the 3 points. So if the scale factor is 3, then the distance should be twice, because 1 is to 1. Here it is scale factor is 2. So the distance is 1 is to 1. If the scale factor is 3, it will be 1 is to 2. So whatever the distance between the point and the image, it will be double in the same direction. And so this is how you calculate the enlargement. So as you can see, it has clearly enlarged by twice, and this finishes the question. So let me clear everything up before I go to the next part. Now B. Describe fully the single transformation that maps triangle A onto triangle B. Okay, so triangle A and B are given, and we want to find out which transformation maps it. So in this shape, if I am rotating around here and the shape comes like this, what is the angle? So this is the angle that is moved, and it is moving in anti-clockwise, and you can see that the angle is 90% anti-clockwise. And so the first point is 90 degrees anti-clockwise, and now the 90 degrees will give you one mark, anti-clockwise will give you the other mark, and you need to know what is the point of rotation. So here in this, it is somewhat easy to see that this is actually the center of rotation. So center of rotation is -3, 0, because if you can see, this angle would be 90 degrees, and generally what you have to do is you have to connect 2 points which are identical and then draw the perpendicular bisector, and two such perpendicular bisectors, wherever they meet, is the angle of, or is the center of rotation. So it is a very big process actually if it comes in the exam, but some cases like this we can very clearly see which point is the center of the rotation easily. Okay, so this completes the question. Very important question. So let us meet in another video. Until then, all the best. Thank you.